on another episode of Big D.
Why she keep calling me, man? Man, baby D getting on my goddamn nerve, man. God damn, man. Steady calling me.
Man, I know y'all staying here so see me calling you.
God damn, what you want, baby D?
Nah, I see you calling. Why you ain't answer your phone?
Man, I've been busy, baby D. I ain't got time, man.
How you busy sitting on the car?
Man, I've been to the store 4 or 5 times today already, baby D. What else do you want?
You not doing nothing. You sitting down.
Come on, baby D. God damn, baby D. You steady want me to go to the store. You steady keep calling me. You right there in the house.
I'm hungry, G. What you mean?
Man, would you send somebody else, baby D?
You got a car. Who finna walk when you got a car?
Come on, baby D. The store right
And you
there.
got the food stamps.
You need to lose some weight anyway, baby D. Both
I've
of
been
us don't
trying,
know-
I've been
Come
trying,
on, baby
I've been
D.
trying for
Baby
like-
D, come on, man. God damn, won't you ask one of them, man?